Hey guys, it is Blue here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing the adventure, the spring adventure. If you haven't been on Animal Jam, here's the news. 100 spring eggs are hidden throughout the land. Can you find them all in the new adventure? That is for all jammers. And Deep Space 10 items are in stores. On April 17th, polar bears will no longer be available. I already have one, so I'm good. Let's be my baby polar bear. So yeah, let's be my polar bear. Oh, I really need to change its like. Oh my god, it's like a neighbor. Okay, sorry. I don't know why I like this. Aw, that's cute. Should I do this? What's gonna be on its back? That's too cute. I just have that. Some sort of pattern that can work out. There we go. So yeah, let's do the adventure. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I never heard the music of this. So what you do is you try to find as many eggs as you can, and after you get 15, you earn a prize. So I've only done this once, and it was really fun. I like this adventure, I gotta say. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Oops. Collect the eggs. I probably made mistakes already. Collect them all. Oh my gosh, there's an owl. That's so pretty. Sorry. I really like owls, as you can probably tell. Best of eggs. I'm on a pretty good roll right now. Getting pretty good at eggs. You know, every time you go into a different adventure, they change the color of the eggs. Ooh, golden. It's a golden egg. Okay, I found something. This is not as long as I thought it would be. Wow. I hope I get one of these trees. I already have one. But I really want more. Kind of sound a little greedy, like, I want more. But, yeah. They're really cool. I like them totally. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go to like 30, like I made last time. Like, I somewhat cheat sometimes. Like, I get to 15, or I get to 35, and when I'm done, I just leave and then I do it again. But I know once you get better prices once you go on longer, but I can't go too long. Yeah. This is a really fun adventure, you guys. You need to try it out. It's so fun. Yeah. So what this is, you can get prizes from this too. Like, this is a non-member egg. And I got a butterfly wall art. Ooh, I kind of like those. And with the member, this is the one I wanted. Yes. Yes. Thank you, flower, for making my day. Okay. But yeah. That's what you do, technically. It's really fun. I love this adventure, truthfully. I think it's better than the St. Patrick's Day one, in my opinion. I've only done the St. Patrick's one like twice though, so I can't really say, but I like this one better because I think it's better. Even though it's always the same thing, you try to find something and you win prizes. But this one's Easter, you guys. You gotta love Easter. You get candy and you get eggs. You get to have peeps. Well, my family doesn't have peeps this year. Hopefully I do though. That would be awesome. I love peeps. Last egg. So the prizes, I got a prize. I always get these. Always. It's like my third one. Yes! Oh my gosh, it's my lucky day. Oh my gosh. I love these. Let's leave and then do another one. I'm so evil, just like do that stuff. Okay, let's first see what I get. Oh my god. I love this adventure. They're so pretty trees too. Oh my gosh, there's a gummy. There's a gummy. Oh my gosh. Hello. Recording. Say hi. Yeah, let me edit my den. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So look, hopefully you can tell some differences. Yeah. It's so pretty. I like this spring adventure. It is awesome. So let's do it again. Okay. I think I kind of want the mushrooms now. Um, so we can make this work. Whoa, that looks like Cutie Angel's look. Okay, sorry. But yeah. I like it here because I think this adventure is really fun. I suggest playing it. Even like I know there's like a maze somewhere, but it does like only one part. And if you like mazes, hooray for you. But I think truly I love this adventure because it's so fun and it's just amazing. I love it so much. Thank you, HHQ. Yeah, it's been 6 minutes already. Wow. Uh, but yeah. Ooh, that's a good place to hide it, actually. Good place. I probably skipped some eggs. So, like, be yelling in the comments, you just skipped an egg at this time! I don't care, you guys. Because I'm gonna get, there's 100 eggs. And I only need to get 15 right now. So that's fine. It's okay. They're just eggs, too. Whoa. What are we doing? Okay, so first egg. I've never had that. I might keep that. That looks really cool. Next. I haven't had that either. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Sorry. Everybody was up there the whole time and I was just like wandering around. Just being like, oh, okay, let's try out to find all the eggs. Blah blah blah. And then I just come there and see this. I should have made my eagle. It would be easier to go down everything. Oh well. I wonder, do you earn clothing items in this adventure? Leave in the comments below if you have. Because I kind of want to know. Because, yeah. I do want to know. Spring is one of my favorite seasons. I don't get the allergies. I do in winter, though. Winter is my third favorite. Summer is my last. You're probably haters, like, the lovers with summer, just like, how do you not like summer? Well, I hate being too warm. Yeah. I'd rather be cold than warm. Weird me, huh? Yeah, I would rather be too warm than cold. But it's true. It's true. And yeah, that's a little fact about me, I guess. um, but yeah, I do prefer being cold than warm. I just hate being warm. Probably after I get 13, I'm probably gonna end the video because, yeah. I can't waste. I can't really. It's gonna take a longer time to upload this video. But it's still so fun doing these videos. I just need to get one more egg. No, come back here, polar bear. No. Come on. I saw an egg up here somewhere. Oh, it's up there. Great. How do I get all the way up there? Ooh. I'm thinking there's something near here. Ooh, yay, 15. What do I get? Yes. Mushroom. Yes. The tree. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I found it. Another J. I was so happy. There's an egg right here. Okay, so that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Blue, and I'll see you all later, guys. Bye.